Talking about accessories, we can accommodate pretty much any need or desire when it comes to accessories being put on the vehicle. Lift kits, roof racks, side steps, things like that.
We're gonna put a lift kit on this truck here.
Typically we do 2.5-inch lift kits on the late model new Tacomas with their new design. And on older models, we can go anywhere from a leveling kit up to a 6-inch lift. The technician will replace the appropriate components.
This is a strut compressor. The suspensions are under tension, so they will fight you. And the sway bar kind of links those front control arms. So if I lift one up, the other one will lift up at the same time.
Once that's completed, we finish with an alignment to make sure the geometry of the suspension is good. And down the road you go. It ultimately is a one-day job. The benefit of bringing your vehicle in here is you do have a factory-trained Toyota technician installing an aftermarket lift kit. We can accommodate pretty much any need or desire when it comes to accessories being put on the vehicle. Toyota in general has a lot of accessory options, and we just want to make it known that we are here for your accessory needs for your current Toyota that you own or the new one that you're taking delivery of today.